Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies for you. Energy update, December 1 to 15, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see. Virgo, what's up? What's up with you? December 1 to 15, energy update for Virgos. Treasure Island. You are really very careful, no? Especially sa mga resources mo, sa pera mo, sa career mo. Parang meron kang mga sinisecure, pinag-iipunan. So, ngayong first half ng December, you will focus on growing your finances. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng lilipat ng trabaho or malilipat ka ng department. Some of you will also start a career in creatives, no? So pwedeng you will use your creative talents, your skill set in making money. Yes. So pwedeng content creation or nasa design ka, creative design. You're going to use your imagination. So pwedeng iba sa inyo nasa field of entertainment, media, okay? Chaos and conflict. I feel like you will break free. Oo. Yung tipong may mga limitasyon ka, pero umaalis ka na dun sa limitasyon na yon because you're finally realizing your worth. Nare-realize mo na kung ano yung dine-deserve mo, and you don't deserve those limitations na parang stagnant ka, walang growth. Because you want to grow, you want to evolve. So now, you are freeing yourself. You are showing the world the real you. Kumbaga, pinapakita mo kung ano yung totoong ikaw. Kung ano talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Ano talaga yung gusto mong i-pursue. Hindi kung ano yung gusto ng iba para sa'yo. Some of you, you're not going to pretend anymore. Hindi ka na magpapanggap. Hindi ka na magpapanggap na masaya ka sa trabaho mo. Hindi ka na magpapanggap na masaya ka sa relationship mo. You will choose you, no? Pipiliin mo yung sarili mo. What else for Virgo? The Four of Cups. You have the King of Pentacles. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, you will realize na hindi pala kayo masaya sa situation nyo. You will find what will make you feel. You will look for the things that will make you feel happy. Hahanapin mo yung happiness na yan. Kumbaga matagal mo na tong pinag-iisipan, matagal mo nang pinagpaplanuhan, wala ka lang lakas ng loob na simulan, gawin. Kasi natatakot ka kung ano yung magiging resulta niya. Pero 'di ba, paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan? And to tell you the truth, this is going to be success for you. Okay? Minsan kasi nagtsatsaga tayo talaga sa sitwasyon na pwede na, okay na, alam mo yun, tipong pwede na yan. But you realize na yung pwede na yan is hindi na sapat para sa'yo. It's boring. Boring na sa'yo. You want something that will excite you. Something that will make you feel more competitive. With the King of Pentacles here, this can be your energy, Virgo. Mas mangangarap ka kasi, no? Lalo na sa career mo, sa situation mo financially, you want gusto mong may magbago. Yung perspective mo nagbabago. Yung pananaw mo sa buhay pagdating sa pera nagbabago. Maaring mas nagiging maayos kang mag-manage ng pera. Mas naiisip mo kung ano yung trabaho or career or source of income na mas worth it na bigyan ng energy, ng effort, ng time. So now you are starting to build a new career or a new business or a new situation in your life na sa tingin mo ay in alignment of your power, in alignment of your energy, in alignment of your abilities. And this will definitely give you stability in your finances. Magbibigay ito sa'yo ng abundance. Financial independence. Kung ikaw yung tipong umaasa na, sa darating na taon, may magbabago sa current situation mo. Kasi kung ikaw wala kang binabago sa situation mo, definitely walang magbabago dyan. So, now you finally realize what you really want. You want to be the boss. You want to be in control. You want more. Kasi you deserve more. So, now you're starting new opportunities. You are taking risks. Ayan, nagtitake ka na ng risk. And I feel like itong pagtitake mo ng risk na to, well-calculated risk siya. Hindi siya yung tipong parang bahala na si Batman. Hindi ganon. Ito yung tipong alam mo kung hanggang saan ka susugal. Calculated mo, tansyado mo. You are going to be more aggressive. I think you want to remove those blocks. Yung blockages, yung mga pumipigil sa'yo from achieving your goals. See, ito yung tinutukoy ko sa inyong limitasyon na gusto nyong alisan. You have the resources that you need to make things happen para sa sarili mo. See, you are very creative, Virgo. You're going to use your creative talents, your creative skills in achieving your goals, achieving your dreams. So definitely things are going to transform in your finances. You just need to make that decision. Okay? So I think in your money, career, finances, meron kang major decision in your job, in your career. Three of Pentacles, growth. Definitely there is growth in your money, in your career, in your finances ngayong first half ng December. You have the King of Wands. Yes, you are in control of your decisions. You are more passionate. You are more controlled in terms of kung ano yung mga actions na gagawin mo. Sa relationship, you have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. So, if you are in a relationship right now, yung iba sa inyo, yung partner nyo mismo, yan yung support system ninyo. Yan yung nagsasabi sa inyo na, kaya mo yan. It's time. Andito lang ako. Oh, 'di ba? Very supportive. And they're also, hindi lang sila supportive, no? Kasama mo sila doon sa pagbi-build ng gusto mong mangyari, no? Gusto mong simulan. If you are single, I think maaring meron kang makilala na romantic connection or potential romantic partner na ipapakilala or makikilala mo dahil sa kamag-anak mo. So, halimbawa, yung pinsan mo, pinakilala ka sa isang kaibigan niya, yung mga ganon. No? Yung iba sa inyo, very specific to, may kilala mo siya sa mga travel adventures. Kung mahilig kayong umakyat ng bundok, o ayan, pag in-invite ka ng kamag-anak mo na mamundok ka na, lalo na single ka. Nothing will come of this situation. Yeah, I think itong nothing will come of this situation is yung parang wala kang ginagawa to make that change. Yeah, you will have faith in your dreams. So, ang sinasabi rito ng universe na, Virgo, magtiwala ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Kaya mo yan. You can make things happen for yourself. 'Di ba? You will show the world the real you. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo onset of the reading na this is authenticity, breaking free. You are showing the world the real you. Wow. Okay, so that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. Bye.